Sardines on seed crackers. Carbs per serving, approximately 11 grams per 1 can, 92 grams, sardines and 30 grams, seed crackers. Sardines are small, oily fish that are packed with nutrients. 1 can of sardines has 0 carbs and 23 grams of protein. These fish are also an excellent source of calcium, providing 27% of the daily value (DV) for this mineral. Try pairing sardines with low-carb, 6 seed crackers for a crunchy and nutritious low-carb snack. Keep in mind that the carb content of your snack will depend on the type of cracker you use.